Do you want to know how many steps you take each day and how many kilometers or how many miles you cover? I'm going to show you how you can track your steps easily, and it only takes 2 minutes to set everything up. So we'll be using a free application from the App Store, and you can type either Pedometer or type Step Tracker, and you'll get a list of free apps which you can download and install. I use this Pedometer Plus Plus app for a couple of years, and I recommend you get this one because it's great. When you open the app after it's installed, you won't have to create an account or log in. Just give the application access to the sensors, because the app needs access to the gyroscope and your GPS in order to track your steps precisely. I've been using this app for a while now, and you can see that I've made over 20,000 steps on Friday, which is around 12.2 kilometers, or 7.5 miles. Keep in mind that these are estimates. They are not 100% accurate every time, but this should give you a good idea of how active or inactive you are during the day. Tell me in the comments down below how many steps you took today, and I'll see you in the next video.